What's the meaning of cherry pick? Cherry pick. Cherry pick.
Cherry pick. Cherry pick. Cherry pick is a term used to describe the act of selectively choosing something, often for personal gain or advantage. In software development, it refers to the act of picking or selecting specific code changes from one branch of a code repository and applying them to another branch, typically a stable or release branch. This allows developers to selectively apply only the necessary changes to a production environment without introducing unwanted or untested changes. By doing so, cherry-picking can save time and effort in fixing bugs or implementing new features while minimizing the risk of introducing errors.